First, a warning similar to the one that the judge gave in court that details in this case may be sensitive for some viewers. In the prosecutor's opening statement against former NYPD officer Michael Valva, the lead prosecutor pointed to him in court, saying that he killed his 8-year-old son, Thomas, by forcing him to live in 19-degree cold in the unheated garage with no blankets or even pillows. On the morning of January 17, 2020, the prosecutor said, Valva washed the already shivering boy using ice-cold water from a backyard spigot. Hypothermia was the official cause of death, and prosecutors repeated a point they'd made at Valva's arraignment, that it was part of a larger pattern of abuse.
This defendant was heard yelling, moron.
That and other verbal tirades, according to prosecutors, were captured on a surveillance camera at Valva's home in their dog's bedroom. It was treated better than the boy, they argued. Evidence from a variety of cameras, including video of Valva spanking Thomas and Valva's other son, will be among the evidence presented at the 3-week trial.
It doesn't rise to the level of murder. It just doesn't.
Valva's attorney, Anthony LaPinta, did acknowledge on the record in court, quote, yes, he did call his sons of B and effing idiots. He also acknowledged that Thomas's teachers and Child Protective Services workers filed reports and correspondence showing that the boy, who had autism, was dirty for days, wore urine-soaked diapers, and was digging in trash for food. Valva faces 1 count of murder in the 2nd degree, as well as 4 counts of endangering the welfare of a child. His lawyers argued that Valva's live-in ex-fiancée had prompted him to abuse his son to the point of death.
Michael, has taken responsibility for doing what he did, saying what he said. We're not saying, she's the fault of all of this. There's fault all around here.
Now, that ex-fiancée, Angela Polina, faces similar charges, but will have a separate trial. In that trial, as well as this, texts, video from surveillance cameras, and correspondence are part of the evidence. There are also more than 30 witnesses. Reporting from outside criminal court in Riverhead, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.